What is going on, guys? This is Riyad here again with another multiplayer platformer tutorial. Today we're going to upgrade our mode, team deathmatch. Alright, so first I will start by some graphical changes. So I'm going to draw event here, and so when we draw the name of the player, we're going to change the color depending on his team. So where are we doing that? I think it was somewhere here. Right, yeah, so here. Well, so here we're gonna say if my ID equals red team. Oops, red team ID. Alright. Then we're going to set the color to red, else draw set color blue. Okay, but make sure to do that only if we are on the team deathmatch mode. Okay. But remember that our player name will be always written with yellow. So if you don't want that, then so in team deathmatch, if you want to see your name with your team color, you can just cut this and paste it after that, right? And make sure to always reset the color after drawing the name to your default color. For me it's gonna be white. And yeah, so now I'm going just around the game and see and see the result. So now when I create a player, I should see his name with different color depending on his team. One more thing we need to do is that when we spawn a player, and make sure that we are not typing, so we're not writing a message. Okay, so I'm just going to paste this here. Okay, and create. Now I'm going to press the red team and what? Oh, seriously? Oh, did I actually? Oh, well, this should be team ID, not my ID. Okay. Whatever. Yeah, so this should be it. Now the next thing we're gonna do is when we kill a player from the other team, we're going to increase the the score of our team. So how are we gonna do that? Well, first I'm going to the server. Now I'm going to add another variable. It's gonna be max score. So the winner will be the first to reach this point or score. Now for me, I'm just going to set it as well, I think 15 is gonna be fine. Okay, so max, let's go just team score. Alright, so if one of the teams reach this score, then we're going to display a message to the other client saying which team has won, and then we will reset the scores. But for now, we're going to create a script in the server folder, and we're just going to call it send team score. Okay. This will need a socket, and also which team, so it's gonna be the team ID, and the score here, right? So wait, oh no, and I think I have problem with my mouse. Okay, now I'm just going to copy one of those, paste it here. Okay, so make sure to change this to, well, it should be team ID and the score here. Okay, so it's gonna be fine if you use S60, but this would be argument 1 and this argument 2. Okay, so everything is fine here. So we're gonna change this to team score. Okay, and let's quickly add this constants. I think it's gonna be 30. Right, now we will need 2 more variables on the client side, and I think we already have them, but you know what, I think we will change this to team score, other red team ID here. Okay, and I'm going to create the same variable, you know, just a different array. So blue team ID, wait. Alright, now we always need to go back to the, you know, draw event or draw GUI event, and in the display, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so this should be team score of the, you know, the red team, and here I'm gonna do the same thing, just you know, changing the ID of the team. Okay, now we're going to get back to the server, or the client, should I say. Oh no, actually it's on the player. Okay, and in the collision with the bullet, so when he die, we're going to you know, send wait, yeah, so we're going to send this here, and team score, and same thing here. But first we need oh yeah, so we have those variables here. Right, whatever. So here, so we're going to say if other, not ID but team ID. Oh wait, so in the team deathmatch, when we create a bullet, we should use the team ID. I think we already, well, we're already doing that, right? I think when we are creating a bullet, we are setting the ID of the bullet as the team ID, if I'm not wrong. Hopefully, yeah, so it's gonna be cool for now. So yeah, we're going to the collision here with the script. So we're going to say, oh, collision with the bullet, I mean. So the only thing we're going to see here is that if the ID of the player, this player, is not equals to, you know, other ID. Oh, so that's what we are doing here. So it's gonna be just fine if we set global, server type equals team deathmatch, then we'll send team score. Yeah, but first we need to increase the, you know, score of the other players. So what we're going to do here, that we're going to get the ID of this player. So if ID, well, okay, wait a little. Yeah, so it's gonna be the ID. Now I'm going to say if ID equals red team score, or red team ID, then we're going to increase the kills of the blue team. Alright, else we're going to increase the, you know, kills of the red team. Okay, that's gonna be cool. Now we need to send those data to the server, the other client. So we're going to use the OBJ server. And by the way, since those variables are from the server itself, so we need to do something like this: OBJ server, not red team and blue team score. So now we're going to do the same thing that we do while sending variables to the client. So we're going to create a for loop. So we're going to access the sockets list. Okay. Then we'll get each socket. So yes, let's find value sockets I. Okay. Then we will send data to the socket. Now the team ID will be this is gonna be -1, and here I'm just going to say FID. Okay, so in this case the ID will be blue team score, and in this case it's gonna be the red team score. Okay, and now we're just going to send the ID. Okay, well, this should be whatever. Okay, and the score will be well, I'm going to do the same thing that we did in the client. So it's going to be ID, and so let's get back to the server. Let's change this to team score, the blue team. Same thing here. Alright. So now when a player dies, we're going to see his team ID. Okay. So if he's from the red team, then we'll add a score to the blue team. Right. If he's on the blue team, then we're going to add score to the red team. And here we're just going, send the score of each team to every other client. So now what we need to do is go back to the client. In the networking event, we're going to see here if buffer ID equals team score, I guess. Yep. So in this case, well, first we're going to get the team ID. Okay, equals buffer read buffer U8. Yeah, I think it's S60, but we're going to change this. Then team score equals buffer read. Yeah, this should be buffer read buffer and buffer S60. Okay, so I'm going to quickly do this script and change this to U8, because the team ID will be either 1 or 2. Okay, so we don't need the S60 to do that. But now I'm going to where is it? Yeah, so I'm going to copy all this and paste it here. Yeah, so here. Let me just see. So now I'm going to run the game. And I'm going to create server, create, press R. Okay, so as you can see, our name is written with the red color, but we need another client in order to, see the game. Oh, I think the old I think we'll have an error here. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is create another oops. Uh, okay, so I'm going to create a server from here. And wait, let me just create a player. And I'm going to join. Yep, so I'm going to press B this time. And as you can see, the other team members' names are written with different color. So now I'm going to keep shooting this player. And we should see the blue team score increasing when he dies. Yep. Oh, wait, that was the red team score. No, wait. Well, but I'm just going to kill this player this time. Oh, it seems like there is a problem with the blue team. Oh, wait. Why only the... Wait a little... Seriously. Oh. This should be my ID or well, let me just see the variable. Okay, so it's when we create the game. I think it's my team ID or something like that. I can't remember, but oh, it's team ID. Okay. Team ID, where is it? Should be here. Same thing here. Okay. Well, since we are here, I'm going to add or duplicate this event. Wait. Yeah, so we will duplicate this event with collision of the explosion. Okay. The only thing we're going to do is, I think the explosion does have damage. So, wait. The explosion is created when a grenade is destroyed. So it should be well, this is not an effect, so we're going to just change this name. Oh, whatever. Just going to let the underscore there. Okay. Well, I think I would just set the damage for the grenade. I think 50 will be fine. I'm not sure, but yeah. Okay. Now I'm going back to the server, adding the step event. Going to drag one more code. Then we're going to see if global server type is team deathmatch. Okay, so we're going to see here if well, if server or max team score equals team score red team, then match ended equals true. Alright, you can do the same thing here with the blue team ID. Okay, and make sure that the game is not ended. Okay, and we're going to create event. Of course, we need this variable, so this will be false. Okay, we're going to the server one more time, and we're going to send the let's just say winner team, something, doesn't really matter. Okay, so in this script we're just going to send the ID of the winner team. Okay, so of course this needs a socket and the winner ID. So this will not be team score, it's gonna be winner team. Okay, yeah, so just that, I think. Yeah, so as always we're going to create this variable or constant. It's going to be 40. Okay, add in the server step event. So here we're going to create a for loop. So for bar I equals 0, I list and ds list, find value or size, I guess, sockets I plus plus. Oh, this should be less than. Okay, I'm going to get the socket. And then so in this case the winner is the red team. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing here, and this is gonna be blue team ID. So in this case we're going to set alarm, another alarm. Let me just see how many. It's gonna be alarm 2 equals room speed times let's say 5 seconds. Okay, alright, and in the alarm 2, what we're going to do here is reset the scores, so both of teams will okay, and also we're going to let game ended equals false. Wait, yep. So this should be not game, or yeah, so it should be not game ended or match ended. Oh, this match. Okay, and what else? So I'm going to get back to the client. Let me just see how many. Okay, the network end. We're going to see the message here. So if buffer ID equals winner team, or okay. Okay, so now we're getting the winner. So in this case the match is ended. Okay, so wait, just creating a variable here for displaying it on the screen when the match ended. So in this case so now I'm going to create another temporary variable, node that winner or win, whatever. It's gonna be a string. Okay, so by default it's red, and then we're going to see if winner equals blue team ID. Okay, then in this case the winner is the blue team. So we're going to just change this variable to blue. Okay, and we're displaying the text here. So win plus okay, make sure you have space here. Okay, and then we're going to create another variable, so it's gonna be here false, or it should be match ended was false. Now the draw GUI display. Now let's say if match ended. Okay, so in this case I'm going to draw the text, and I'm going to draw it in the center. So I'm going to change the line, and then I'm going to draw the text. Room height divided by 2, room height divided by 2. String is winner message, I guess. Yeah, match ended, and we're going to do the same thing here. Alarm 2, I guess. Yeah. It should be match ended, and winner message will be just an empty string. Okay. What else we need to do? I think that's all for now. Oh no, actually, when we get this string or this message, of course we need to set the alarm to room speed times 5. So this is 5 seconds. So room speed. Okay. I think that's all for now. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is just going to see the grenades if they are working, and for the score or the win system, well, I won't make this video too long, so I'm going to test it if it works. Then if it didn't, then we will fix it in the next tutorial, because I really don't have the time to kill the other players 15 times, but yeah. Come on. Oh, is it? Oh. Okay, so I'm just going to test the grenades and the score system. So I'm going to create a server over here. Create client, join. Just be this time, okay. Now when we kill this player, we should see the blue team score increasing. Oh yeah, so now it's working fine. We may add actually an auto spawn system, so the player don't need to press R when he wants to spawn a player. So yeah, so this is all for today, guys. Don't forget to like or subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.